Stop scrolling and look directly at what is happening on my screen right now. Fresh Adsterra earnings, live payment confirmations, and daily revenue updating in real time. This is what you can achieve with the Adsterra loading method, an automated system that comes with a full 100% earning guarantee starting from day one, bringing in a minimum of $100 every single day. Let's break down how simple this really is. No expensive hardware. You don't need a high-spec computer. My automated bot is lightweight and runs smoothly on any basic device you already own. No website required. You can completely skip buying domains, web design, or paying for monthly hosting. The entire setup operates directly using your Adsterra direct link. Zero hidden costs. There are no surprise recurring subscriptions and no extra investment required after you join. Full lifetime access to this entire method and bot is available for a simple, flat, one-time payment of $250. To make international payments fast and secure, I accept Binance, USDT, and Payout. I know the internet is full of fake screenshots and edited videos, and you have every right to be cautious. That is why I practice complete transparency. If you have any doubt that these results are real, message me right now. I will gladly jump on a live AnyDesk session with you, log into my actual Adsterra account, and refresh the dashboard right before your eyes. My name is Adam Infroy. Stop putting off your financial goals while others collect daily automated income. Send me a direct message right now, claim your copy of the bot, and start securing your guaranteed daily income today.